Okay, well done. Today it's Wednesday, September 11, 2024. E63. I didn't forget the car. We have it here on the car wash. They didn't wash it? No worries. Okay.
Not yet. To cool down
Yeah,
first.
tell me, what do you want to see? Nine. Yeah, okay. What should I do? What should I do? Okay, we break in the engine. All right. Currently, we are at. Dang it. Yeah, I'm not gonna forget the key. Go back. I cannot step inside. Wow. Safety first. The bottles of water, this is for the guy who's driving the car. Don't blame me, I'm not the one who's driving the car. Shit, and don't turn off the car with air conditioning on. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Where am I? Here. The car had, when it came here, 198,002, 198,002 kilometers.
Any scenario situation that goes on, he's there. Yeah, I remember saying, yeah.
This is, I don't know, maybe connect with a phone. Yeah, never mind. I was trying to understand from where it comes the voice. Yeah, 198,579. All right, let's turn it off. Zero issues. Okay, no problems. Just put in petrol and drive the car. How much petrol you put in total? Not much. It doesn't say anything. You have made 570 kilometers, something like that.
It's very economical. It's like a diesel.
Yeah, all right. How much petrol you put approximately?
By the way, I don't like this.
What you don't like? Yeah, it's folding. In all of them, they're folding. Come on. Yeah, you don't like this. Okay, Biden, we're gonna change it. What I wanna say? Coolant, perfect. For the intercooler, perfect. Engine oil, perfect. Should I start it? I can start it. It's hot, the engine. 1 second. Now I have to be careful. Hit the brake direct. Don't step down. Do not step down. All right. Take the foot out. Don't make it dirty. Let's see also the temperatures. (201 Fahrenheit for the coolant. This is how it goes when it comes here the car, and 210 Fahrenheit I think for the oil. 205, 210, something like that. Wow. Tire pressure, I checked it 2 days ago. All right, it is a little bit dirty. They didn't clean the car, you see. It looks a little bit dirty, but it's okay. Break in. It makes in the morning 50 kilometers, and then at night it makes another 50 kilometers. And it's under covered parking, not outside, not under the sun. That's it, small update, all good. There was, what I forget, there was the steering wheel, it was 10 degrees to the right, and I fixed it and it's perfect straight. I put also the diagnostic, and it's the same degrees left, same degrees right. And we make wheel alignment based on that. We put the diagnostic to be at 0 degrees, and then they make wheel alignment. To be nice, to turn the same, left and right. Also the tie rod end, if you see the threads, it's exactly the same. It's not, if it's not similar, it's identical to the other side. When we finish and it comes the time to make the first oil change at 1,000 kilometers, like I said, we have to change the filter, we have to drain the oil. All right, we're gonna put on the jack, we're gonna remove all the covers to see how it looks like from down. It's gonna be nice and dry and clean. It is a little bit dusty, yeah. We're gonna blow with a little bit air with one brush. All right. Looking good, looking good. This is, since they went for wheel alignment, the gentleman who was making the wheel alignment, most probably he touched there and there. That's why it's this. Most probably the guys, that you are waiting to cool down the car to wash it. And I never get an answer. Yeah, never mind. Most probably sometimes what they're doing, if the car is hot, Oh, it's okay. We are waiting to cool down the car and then we are washing it. Yeah, the bonnet it is hot. Leave the bonnet open. Leave the bonnet open to breathe. Leave it. You're gonna cool down faster, right? Yeah. Leave it like that. No problem. So a small update, like any other time, for the owner. All right. Your car is here. It's not giving to us any headache. I was not expecting something less than this. Yep. When comes the time and we go to the dyno, I'm gonna put on the video the dyno number and the draggy time. Lovely. Lovely. Anything else? Do I forget something? No. Nothing more, nothing less. Is it hot, the tires? Yeah. Yes, it is. Yeah. Leave it to cool down here. That's it. Small update, like I said. Thank you. Over and out.